aloe vera is best for our health. The gel which is present in the leaves can be consumed by making a juice out of them. Aloe vera contains vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B9, and vitamin B12. It also contains minerals like calcium, copper, sodium, magnesium, potassium, selenium, manganese, zinc, etc. Some benefits of aloe vera are nutrition benefits, skin benefits, hair benefits, digestive health, immune system support, anti-inflammatory properties, and wound healing. Aloe vera's nutritional value, the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in aloe vera contribute to its health benefits. Skin care benefits, aloe vera can help soothe and moisturize the skin, treat sunburns, reduce acne, and promote overall skin health. Hair care benefits, aloe vera can be used in hair care routines to strengthen hair, reduce dandruff, and promote healthy hair growth. Digestive health, aloe vera helps in improving digestion, alleviating constipation, and promoting good health. Immune system support, aloe vera's compounds help boost the immune system and provide protection against various illnesses. Anti-inflammatory property, aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties can benefit conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Wound healing, aloe vera helps in speeding up the healing process of wounds, burns, and cuts.